Hello everyone, welcome back again with me to the Koniago channel. In this time, I will show you how to make Savonius Turbine like this. Without wasting time, let's start it. First step, we make turbine blade. Go to top plane, active circle, click this point to this point, active smart dimension, my circle diameter is 280 mm. Active line, click this point to this point, active trim entities, cut this line, active extrude boss, my extrude parameter is 800 mm. OK. Active shell, make shell parameter is 1.5 mm. Click this face. OK. Active hole wizard, choose this type, choose screw clearance, choose size M4, and collision is true all. Go to position, click this face, click this point and this point, active smart dimension, click this point and this point, make distance 5 mm. Click this point and this point, make distance 10 mm. Click this point and this point, make distance 15 mm. Click this point and this point, make horizontal. OK. Now we choose material. Go to edit material, choose IC 316 stainless steel sheet. Click apply. OK. See, turbine blade is ready. Now we make knot. Go to top plane, active rectangle, click this point to this point, active smart dimension, make this line length is 50 mm and this line length is 30 mm. Active extrude boss, my extrude boss parameter is 5 mm. OK. Active hole wizard, choose top hole type, choose M4, go to position, click this face, make 4 top hole, active center line, click this point to this point, active smart dimension, click this point and this center line, make distance 5.5 mm. Click this point and this point, make distance 15 mm. Click this point and this length, make distance 10 mm. Click the center line and this point, make distance 4.5 mm. Click this point and this point, make distance 15 mm. This point and this edge, make distance 10 mm. Click this point and this point, make vertical. And do the same thing in this point. Okay. Now I want to show composite thread. Go to Option, click Document Properties, go to Detailing, check Shape Composite Thread. Okay. Active Jumper. Make jumper parameter is 30 mm. Click all this edge. Okay. Now go to Edit Material. Choose Alloy Steel. Click Apply. Now none is ready. Now we make shaft holder. Go to top plane, active rectangle, click this point to this point, active smart dimension, make this line length is 50 mm and this line length 30 mm. Active extrude boss, make extrude parameter 5 mm. Okay. Active hole wizard, make the same hole in the previous design. After done, go to this face. Active center line. Click this point to this point. Active circle. Click this point to this point. Active smart dimension. Make sure diameter is 20 mm. Active extrude boss. My extrude parameter is 100 mm. Okay. Active jumper. Make jumper parameter is 3 mm and click all edge. Okay. Now choose alloy steel for material. Now shaft holder is ready. Now we will assemble Savonius turbine. Insert shaft holder. Make shaft holder float. Make axis. To make it easier to make, go to axis. Click right plane and front plane. Click this shaft and this axis. Make concentric. Click top plane and this face. Make coincident. Insert turbine blade. Click this face and this face. Make coincident. Click this hole and this top hole. Make concentric. And do it as same thing in this hole. Insert nut. Click this face and this face. Make coincident. Click this top hole and this hole. Make concentric. And do it the same thing with this hole. Insert bolt. Make bolt in every hole. Copy turbine blade and all board. Block this part. Hold Ctrl and drag. Remake the part that was copied early. See, Savonius Turbine is ready. You can know the way of this turbine. Go to Evolute, click Mesh Properties. See, weight of this turbine is about 10 kg. So what do you think if a 10 kg turbine can rotate against the wing? Just comment below. I think it's the end of tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.